burrito. So cute.
Thank you. I'm not in any red.
Okay, you have some red. Yeah. You have a pop of red.
Something.
Where's Carolina?
In line. I just got a chicken burrito. Oh, sorry, I couldn't see. There's a tree.
Start over. Start over.
Target flag. Hello. I'm thirsty. We're getting a soda. And we're getting. That's it. And hopefully it's not backed up in line.
Like, comment, subscribe down below.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god. Okay. Thank you. It's so cute. It's so pretty. I've never seen this close before.
You show them.
It's
Wow.
fun. Right?
Pretty lights.
I love that they're here.
What a night.
We're walking to another building to watch the game.
Couldn't actually see it the last one.
Yeah, we were being blocked by a tree. And so I had no idea what was going on. I didn't really care. I was having a good time, but I also wouldn't mind seeing the game. There's Jill all the way back there.
Jill.
I got my soda, finally.
That was dribble drive heavy. This defense here by Taylor. Smith using the high screen again. He extended.
Let's go!
More like her dome.
Her tone. More like her donate May.
No, no, no. Woo! Let's go. 47.
There's a lag.
47.
Get ready for the next season.
We can predict the future with my phone.
I put you as a winner on my bracket. You're going to stay a winner on my bracket. Right?
Excuse me.
I'll put you as state champion.
They're running so slow.
I think they're a little tired.
No, miss.
That is so funny.
The Jameson sink and I drank to that. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? We lost the game. We're waiting for the crowd
Surprise,
to roll
surprise!
out.
He lost to the #1 seed.
The #1 what?
Seed.
You honestly got like 5 minutes of screen time. 5 minutes of screen time. The whole time we were in Target.
Target.
Maybe we jinxed it when we actually started watching the game.
I always do know that the games do better when I don't watch them.
Yeah.
So maybe
Next year we won't watch it. You happy?
We'll just miss out.
Well, we lost.
Oopsie.
Oopsies. Won't do it next time. Jill, how many points is State gonna win tonight?
1 million! Sharia, how many points is NC State gonna make tonight?
3 gajillion!
Woo!
Caroline, how many points is State gonna win tonight? 5 billion!
We lost.
Walk of shame.
I drew. No! How do you feel, Sharia?
Shucks.
Some way.
You had a good run, my dudes.
I must drink my sadness away.